Personality.
Personally.
It's a way.
Personally. Pronunciation.
Personally.
Personally is in a personal way.
Okay.
So, for example, I can say, personally, I like the movie.
Mm-hmm.
In a personal way, I like the movie.
Mm-hmm.
It means the same.
Okay.
You see? So here you are giving definitions from English to English. And Spanish is not relevant.
Okay.
Therefore, physically means
Physical.
incomplete. Use the phrase in an adjective way.
Physical person.
Use the
Characters
phrase,
of
read
person.
this. Use the phrase in a adjective way.
In a physical way.
Yes, you are correct.
Mhm.
Physically means in a physical way.
Okay.
So, for example, if Jessie said, I know Rock said, well, let's copy all this together. A toxic relationship is one that hurts your safety emotionally. How does a toxic relationship hurt your safety?
Okay.
Try to rephrase this using the tip.
Okay. Okay. A toxic relationship is one that hurts your safety
Mhm.
in an emotional way.
Oh, fantastic. In an emotional way. Emotional starts with A-E-I-O-U aria. What is necessary for singular nouns?
In, in our emotional,
What can you repeat?
in in an emotional way.
Exactly. In an emotional way. Let's go. You see? Now you
Okay.
can understand this section
Okay.
without Spanish, right? It hurts your safety, your comfort, your happiness in an emotional way.
Okay.
Easy to understand, no?
Yes.
So it becomes super, super difficult the first time, and we need to explore all the vocabulary we have, and then bam, it's very easy to understand, like magic. This is the process. In this moment, of course, it looks very slow, very, very slow. But with practice, we need to do this activity faster and faster and faster and faster until we don't need to rephrase.
Mm.
But this is exactly the power of becoming from B1 speakers to becoming B2 speakers. Every time you understand something, now you don't need Spanish. You need your synonyms now. You need now your English from previous levels to understand English from this level. You see what you mean? So it's so, so, so relevant. Your vocabulary, your glossary is so relevant in this training. So girls, let's create a new glossary. Or do we continue with the one we have? No, a new one. The glossary that you have in this moment, this is going to be your B1 glossary. Okay. Now I am going to create in your file a new one called B2 glossary. Aurea, in your file, it is ready.
Okay. Thank you, teacher.
You can start the definition, but now instead of the translation, no translation, you're going to write synonyms.
Okay.
Let me copy this for Rox and for Jessie. Here is Rox. Okay, Rox, it's ready for you. It's ready for you too, yes. You have the first words: undermine, well-being, physically, emotionally. Literally, all the adverbs ending in "ly", they are considered B2 because only advanced speakers, upper intermediate and advanced speakers, can use adverbs correctly. They discover adverbs in B1, they learn adverbs in B2, and they use adverbs in B2 and C1. So girls, write all the new verbs, all the new words. Do you see the modifications, girls?
Teacher, I can add a word.
Oh, I need to give you permission. Just a second. Ready.
The same, teacher.
The same, right? Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Okay. Try now. Reboot the app.
Yes.
Excellent. Action. Remember, copy the word in simple form, eh? And then in the examples, you can put the verb in present. But in simple form, only undermine, not undermines. Be careful. Mhm. Another tip, write more than one synonym. Write more than one synonym, especially in words that have a lot of them. For example, well-being have all these. Don't write only one synonym, eh? Hurt, comma, frustrate.
Okay.
Jessica's more. The synonym of physically is not body.
What is?
Read this again.
You the first to understand words thinking in English.
Mhm,
Use the phrase in now adjective way.
mhm.
So physically means in a physical way.
Exactly. That's your synonym.
In a physical way.
Exactly. Mhm.
All the sentence.
It's not a sentence, it's a phrase.
Okay.
All the phrase. Because adverbs describe the way you do something.
Alright.
Okay.
Yes. Okay.
Very interesting. Very good. Include the word physically, include the word emotionally, and psychologically. Okay, I'm going to copy this information for you in WhatsApp, and we are going to continue tomorrow. Now, I need something. I need some words, some minutes with Aurea to talk about her exam. And Jessie, can you tell the next group? I need 10 minutes, please.
Okay.
Right?
Yes,
Perfect,
teacher.
girls. So we finished for today. Have a fantastic night, and I stay with Aurea.
Okay, bye.
Right?
Night.
See you later. Bye-bye. Oops, wrong group. For everyone. It's 7. There. Today's vocabulary.